please subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon so that you will be notified every time we post a video in our channel. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back to Amritaz timeline. So today's recipe is cream cheese. For making that cream cheese, here I have taken 1 liter of full fat milk. It was boiling, and at that moment I'm adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Here you can use vinegar as well. You just need to use 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar mixed with equal ratio of water. Now I'm stirring it so that it will be curdled, and yes, it is now curdled. Now we have to strain the water, but keep it in mind that we will be needing 2 tablespoons of that chena water. So I'll keep aside 2 tablespoons of chena water. Now I'm taking a strainer and I'm trying to strain the water. Yes, this is now done. Now I'll take the chena into a mixer grinder. Yeah, and next I'll add that chena water and a pinch of salt. Let's just make a very fine smooth paste that will take 40 to 45 seconds. And yes, after around 50 seconds your cream cheese is ready, and you can see the texture, it is exactly like the store bought one. And yes, your cream cheese is ready. And if you have liked our video, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.